Look at these goofballs over there waiting their turn. Because he will chase them away if they come over. Whoa. Uh-oh. Somebody scared him. Oh, do they see Channy? That's eyebrows. I think she sees Channy. Ooh, blurry. It's okay, guys. Oh, they do. Look, stomping at Channy. Oh, Channy, you got them all freaked out. Channy, why are you freaking everybody out? Come back, friends. Oh, flagging. They're all over there hanging out. This little baby stayed. Everybody's stomping at Channy. They're all over there. It's like the Field of Dreams.